Wow. Liverpool Street Station in London. What a busy place. Trying to find my way out, so... Wow. Just updated my Oyster card, so now I can travel on the train. What a busy place. And today I'm wearing jacket, jeans. It's cold, 14 degrees. Yesterday was hot and sunny. Today, back to normal English weather. Wow. Very nice. First time I've ever seen this building, except on TV. Here we are, central London. I'll have to find out what this building is. See it on all the movies. Every time you see a picture of London, they always have this building. But, oh, some guys out there cleaning the window. Whoa. That's like a scary job. Very new, modern area of London. Unbelievable. Right next to it is this whole place. Well, that's a surprise. Yesterday beautiful sunshine and today rain and cold. Now this one will do. London Bridge. Well, here we are standing on London Bridge. That's the new London Bridge, not the old one that they took down and sold to the Americans, and they took it back to the US and rebuilt it there as a tourist attraction. And down there you can see Tower Bridge. Wow. And some old battleship sitting there in the water. I should probably wander down there and see if I can go on board that ship. But I'm definitely going to walk around and get on top of that Tower Bridge. Wow. It's a pretty flash thing. Looks like a glass pyramid. There's the new London Bridge. Amazing glass pyramid. We know what that one is. Well, here we are. Tower of London, where all the criminals used to come. This is where a lot of beheadings took place. The last one in 1847. Mr. Lovett, the Scottish nationalist, had his head chopped off here, and many others before him, in the Tower of London. I'm filming the Tower Bridge at the same time.
Yeah. Did you take a picture already?
You see that?
Nice one. That's very nice. Until now, they use that, the top of the head.
I think the people on top of that bus might have get a bit wet today.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a bit noisy. Can you see that? Nice and clear?
Wow. Now you're there.
Yeah. Let's have a look. Look down the river. Wow.
Nice. Yeah. Big river.
The River Thames.
Nice.
And this Tower Bridge, they can actually lift it up in the middle if they have to get a big ship to come through here. They just lift it up and the ships can go underneath. Wow, nice sculpture of a lady with a dolphin. Right here at Tower Bridge. And that ship over there, that battleship, is the HMS Belfast. Lots of river cruises start from here. But lucky me, back in London, having a great time, and the weather's pretty good today too. Raining and cool earlier this morning, and now lovely again. Aha! Where are we? We are in Piccadilly Circus. Very famous, Piccadilly. Let's get a look around from the top. Wow. Lots of people using the subway.
Street. Change here for the Central Line. This train terminates.